Effective branding strategies for small businesses. Effective branding strategies for small businesses. In today's highly competitive business landscape, branding has become an essential part of building a successful enterprise. But for small businesses with limited resources and budgets, developing a strong brand can be a daunting task. However, there are several branding strategies that small businesses can adopt to create brand awareness and increase customer loyalty. In this article, we will discuss some effective branding strategies that small businesses can implement to establish themselves as a brand in their respective markets. 1. Define your brand identity. Brand identity is the foundation of any successful branding strategy. It's essential to define what your business stands for and what it wants to achieve. This includes creating a brand mission statement, core values, and a unique selling proposition, USP. Your USP is what sets your business apart from the competition. It could be anything from your product or service quality to your customer service. Once you have a clear idea of your brand identity, you can create a brand positioning statement that conveys your unique offering to your target audience. 2. Develop a strong brand logo and tagline. Your logo and tagline are the visual representations of your brand identity. A strong logo and tagline can help your brand stand out from the competition and make a lasting impression on your customer. Your logo should be simple, memorable, and easily recognizable. Your tagline should be short, catchy, and convey your brand personality. When creating your logo and tagline, keep in mind your target audience and what appeals to them. 3. Establish brand consistency. Brand consistency is crucial in creating a strong brand identity. Your brand should be consistent across all customer touchpoints, including your website, social media channels, marketing collateral, and physical stores. This includes using consistent brand colors, fonts, imagery, and language. Consistency reinforces your brand identity and helps build trust and recognition with your customers. 4. Create a brand voice. Your brand voice is how you communicate with your customers. It includes the tone, language, and style of your brand messaging. Your brand voice should align with your brand identity and resonate with your target audience. Consider your brand personality when creating your brand voice. Are you playful and humorous, or serious and professional? Your brand voice should convey your brand personality while connecting with your target audience. 5. Focus on customer experience. Creating a positive customer experience is vital to building brand loyalty. This includes everything from the quality of your products or services to your customer service. Make sure your employees are trained to provide excellent customer service and be responsive to customer feedback and concerns. Building a strong customer experience can help create brand ambassadors who will spread the word about your brand to others. 6. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful branding tool for small businesses. It provides a cost-effective way to reach a large audience and engage with your target market. Create social media